Hi everyone, this is Dr. S. Sabdagiri. In this lecture, we are going to see about vermicomposting. Vermicomposting is the technology wherein organic waste are converted as a manure using earthworm. Vermicompost is the process of converting organic waste into nutrient-rich compost using earthworm. This earthworm feeds the nutrient-rich crop residues and convert as a manure. Earthworm cast. This produces high quality organic manure which is known as vermicomposting, which is eco-friendly and suitable for farm, homes and institutions for proper entrepreneurships. It enhances soil fertility naturally. Importance of vermicomposting. These vermicompost converts biodegradable waste into a valuable organic fertilizer. This organic fertilizer is called as vermicast. This improves soil's physical, chemical, and biological properties, in which it increases soil texture, microbial activity. These increased microbial activity helps for increased the availability of nutrient to the plants. These increased availability of nutrient the plant increases the nutrient uptake and ultimately leads to increased productivity of the plants. It reduces the dependency of chemical fertilizers and it reduces the cost of fertilizer and eco-friendly waste management solution. It also helps for mitigating pollutions and greenhouse gas emission too. Earthworm used for vermicompost. These are the species used for earthworm used for vermicompost preparation. These characters is highly suited for vermicompost preparation. Is it has high reproduction rate, it has fast waste consumption, and adapted for compost pits naturally. A material required for this vermicompost preparation is it requires bed or tank which is made up of cement, wood or earthen any material, but it should be highly impervious one. Organic wastes can be collected, whatever available in the farm can be used. Kitchen waste, crop residue, cow dung, leaf litter, etc. What are the material available in the farm can be used for this source. And another sources it requires high moisture for proper earthworm working. It also requires shade and roof for protect the worms from the bursts and other damages, sunlight from the damages. And earthworm starter cultures. Bed preparation. The beds are prepared at 1 meter into 1 meter into 0.5 meter or based on the required dimension. At the bottom layer, stand a soil for the 2 to 3 centimeter is placed. After above which add partially decomposed cow dung and organic matters. Maintain 40 to 60 percentage of moisture throughout the vermicompost preparation process. Introduce earthworm after initial settling. After initial settling, introduce the earthworms, the starter culture earthworms. Vermicompost process. Maintain adequate moisture and aeration through the vermicomposting process of 3 to 4 months whenever the requirement. Maintain 40 to 60 percentage of moisture. Add organic waste in a thin layer. The turn material gently every 10 to 15 days are to be aerated. Avoid adding meat, oily food and citrus and plastics, etc. It harms the growth and development of vermicompost earthworm. Compost matures in 45 to 60 days depending on the conditions such as environmental conditions, soil condition, organic matter condition, etc. Generally, compost is ready for use after 45 to 60 days based on various conditions. Harvesting of vermicompost. Finished compost appears dark, granular, and odorless. This can be harvested and applied for the plants for its growth and development. Before harvesting, once these conditions arise, stop watering 3 to 4 days before harvest. This water stopping helps for moving earthworms to the deeper layer. By moving earthworms to the deeper layer helps for harvesting top layer without any earthworms. Use light or migration methods to separate earthworm, for which cow dung ball method is used. Basically, this cow dung ball method is highly helps for rounding the ball and making at the random places in the compost pit, wherein these worms attract the fresh cow dung. These bugs are attracted if within 24 hours all the earthworms nearby regions are attracted to the fresh cow dung. We can separate this cow dung pulp and separate the earthworms, by which we can separate the earthworm from the compost, or we can seal the compost for uniform quality. Collect worms for reuse in the next batches. Benefits of vermicomposting. Vermicomposts are rich in all the major micro and enzymes. It improves soil aeration and water holding capacity. Generally, organic matter increases the soil aeration, soil physical and chemical properties, and also it increases water holding capacity. It enhances seed germination and crop yield in a better way because it supplies all the macro, micro, and enzymes also. Boost beneficial soil microorganism in the soil, as well as these soil microorganism helps for better improvement in the nutrient availability. These are economically eco-friendly and easy to adopt method for better crop cultivation. Conclusion: vermicomposting is a sustainable practice that transforms organic waste into a valuable manure. It improves soil health, reduces pollution, and supports eco-friendly agriculture system.